guys, this is the final step of this flower motif. We are turning it from pretty to stunning. It's gonna pop, gonna look something like this. You're more than welcome to add more color to yours if you'd like. More contrasting yarn, different styles, different techniques. There's a whole range of ways you can do this, but this is how I did it for this project. And if you haven't been following along, I am creating this Stella McCartney inspired flower sweater. So let us do the final petal together, the final step together. Let's do this. So we are just grabbing our contrast yarn. I'm doubling it up. I've doubled it up for all of the flower petals so far, as well as I doubled it up for both the disc as well as the underlying white wool. This embroidery floss is 100% cotton and it is by Coates & Clark. I believe I picked this up as a neon pack from Walmart. It does not have a specific color number on it that I can find, but it is a neon yellow. So we're just going to take as much as we need to double up the first layer. We can always add more. Once you got that threaded onto the needle as well as double knotted at the end, we are going to turn our work, and just like the last time, we are going to anchor it. It's always very important to anchor your work. So anchor it right directly through all that wool in the back. Once it's anchored, turn your work around. So this time we are going to be working from the disc, so just above it. You can also come up through the disc cotton as well. So starting from the disc, not the very center, bring the stitch up into the disc and pick your next spot. And we're just going to stitch it through to the back. Got it off cinematic. We're going to go back up from the back to the front and stitch it back into the disc. And once again, that is through the disc. Pick your next spot, stitch it through to the back. And then from the back, you're going to pick your next spot to stitch it through to the front. And work it back into the disc. And your back of the work should look like this. Very clean. And now I'm just going to go and do this all the way in the round. And if there's a little space like this that you can see, you can always rework back through that so that there's two stitches coming out of the same spot. Get some more thread and anchor. Turn your work. And that is it. 3 easy steps to follow along to create this pattern. So Stella McCartney had more petals in their design. They also had mixed yarns such as mohair. If you'd like to add those to yours as well, you can. And they also had loose threads hanging off of the garment. I'm not going to have the loose threads hanging off my garment because I go to the woods and I don't want to bring the whole woods home with me when I return. I hope you guys enjoyed that easy to follow along 3-part tutorial. Tomorrow I will be showing you guys the cropped version of this sweater, and then the next day I'll be showing you full length. In 3 days time I will also be releasing the pattern for the petal here for free. So if you're interested, follow along for that. And I'm already working on the next design after this one. So if you like these, follow along for those. Have a wonderful day, guys, and I hope your guys' summer is going well. Take care.